Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever looked at a map in Power BI and wished you could use color to instantly see which areas are performing best, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through how to color code maps in Power by using a simple but powerful DAX formula. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add an intelligent color legend to your map that instantly communicates high, medium, and low performance zones in your data. So let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open up Power BI on your computer. If you haven't already, load up your data set. For this tutorial, I'm working with a sample map using Azure Maps, which is a built-in mapping feature in Power BI that helps visualize geographic data. Think of it as a canvas where each location from your data can be represented visually, almost like pins on a city map, but with more power under the hood. Now, on the right side of Power BI, where your fields and measures live, we're going to craft a DAX formula for color coding. And trust me, DAX might sound intimidating at first, but for this scenario it's going to be straightforward and really rewarding once you see the results. So here's the DAX formula we'll use, and don't worry, I'll break it down step by step so you know exactly what's happening. The formula goes like this. Color code equals VAR sales val equals sum L table sales amount. Return, switch, drew, sales val 40,003 / high. Sales val 20,002 / medium. 1 / low. What's happening here is we're creating a variable called sales val that represents the total sales amount for whatever region the map is displaying. Then using the switch function, we're applying our color codes. If sales are over 40,000, that area gets a high score of 3. If sales fall between 20,000 and 40,000, they get a medium score of 2. Everything else is assigned a low score of 1. It's just like how traffic lights use 3 colors, simple and universally understood. Once you've created this measure, the fun begins. Select your Azure Map visual on the report canvas. Then just drag and drop your new color code measure into the appropriate field well, usually under Legend or Color Saturation, depending on how your visual is set up. Power BI will now automatically color code each region according to your formula, giving you a quick, intuitive way to spot which areas are excelling and which might need more attention. Now you might be wondering what the colored circles mean. It's easy to interpret. The bigger and more vibrant the colored circle on the map, the higher the sales for that area. This kind of visualization makes patterns in your data jump out at you immediately, much faster than scanning through rows and rows of numbers. If you want more detail at any point, simply hover your mouse over a circle and Power BI will pop up all the relevant information for that region. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks in this simple DAX formula, you're turning raw sales data into a clear, actionable map that you and your team can use to make smarter decisions. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's something you want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a step-by-step Power BI guide. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.